Is dust ruining your small shop workflow? Do you run your router without a vac and just let the dust fly? If you are working in a small space, effective dust collection isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for your health and cleanup time. I'm outfitting my Dewalt DCW600 with the ONEIDA Air Systems Universal Dust-Free Router Hood to see if it really lives up to the hype. Watch as I take this setup from a dusty dream to a clean reality. The box contains one dome, one cuff, two base plates, a shallow chip cover and a deep chip cover. In the box is also included a rather comprehensive, 8-page, instruction guide. Here you can see the two base plates, and the dome and the cuff in their coupled format. A quick demonstration follows of how the shallow chip cover and the deep chip cover fit on the base plates. Here we are fixing the Dewalt DCW600 dust collection. Drop me a comment or let me have your own ideas. To start with, I shall show you a cut with no dust extraction fitted to the Dewalt DCW600 Palm router. Doesn't it remind you of a ship sailing in heavy fog? When the router is turned off and the dust settles, one can see the large volume of dust and the amount of particles that were generated in this process. I must say this is a very unpleasant picture. Don't you agree? These are the actual tests. Can you see the difference when the ONEIDA system is connected? Drop me a comment or let me have your own ideas. Here I attach the vac to the cuff, but when I start routering I don't turn the vac on straight away. I did this on purpose because through this delay you will get a good idea how efficient this router hood is. You will see that as soon as I turn on the vac the dust cloud disappears. Here I attach the vac to the cuff, but when I start routering I don't turn the vac on straight away. I did this on purpose because through this delay you will get a good idea how efficient this router hood is. You will see that as soon as I turn on the vac the dust cloud disappears. Here I have attached the shallow chip cover and I shall proceed to router a side cut in order to establish how well this cover functions in terms of dust suction. Having watched this video tests, would you purchase the ONEIDA dust-free router hood? I would love to discuss this aspect with you. Drop me a comment or let me have your own ideas. This shallow chip cover has performed really well as I found no dust remaining on the actual cut. Equally, I found no dust having fallen on the floor either. I strongly believe that it's always good for you and me to talk and exchange observations or ideas on a video subject. That's the way I hear what you have to say and I learn from your own experiences and findings. Maybe I can also share some of my own views with you. It's also possible that I may be able to offer some advice. It's good to talk. So, don't forget to drop me a comment. Overall, I have been very impressed with the capabilities of the ONEIDA dust-free router hood. The system performed very well in the case of the surface groove and it was equally successful when I routed the edge of the board using the shallow chip cover. The base plates are well designed and they accept a number of different routers. As far as I am concerned, the system fits all of the routers in my shop. I have no idea how the system will stand up to what I throw at its all-plastic construction. Only time will tell. Would I recommend the ONEIDA dust-free router hood? Absolutely. Yes. If you want to turn your small shop into a clean workspace like mine, watch this channel because I tackle really worthwhile projects and builds every Saturday. I don't ask you to subscribe, but I shall tell you that I'm planning a full dust collection overhaul for my router table station as my next project, so you may wish to subscribe so you don't miss that build. Shop IQ Boosters, Series 1, Episode 3. Thank you for watching my new Shop IQ Boosters project. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I also hope that it gave you some ideas for your own work. I upload a new project video every Saturday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there. Have you subscribed and hit the bell? The Foundry of Ideas. Shop IQ Boosters. Micro updates and tiny tricks that make a small shop feel and function smarter. Options and solutions you need. I shall upload my next video project at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, on Saturday, January the 3rd, 2026.